We're going to go over a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to install a WordPress plugin. So first you're going to have the WordPress platform installed. Once that's done, the first thing every beginner needs to learn is how to install the WordPress plugin. Simply put, WordPress plugins are like apps for your WordPress website. The easiest way of installing a WordPress plugin is to use a plugin search. First thing you need to do is visit the Plugins Add New page inside the WordPress admin area. You'll see a screen like the one here. Find the plugin by typing the plugin name or the functionality you're looking for. After that, you'll see a bunch of listings like this. Let's say you need to create a web form, but not any web form, a web form that's going to eliminate any fake emails and typos. So you enter the best form builder in your search, which would be SteadB Forms. We type in the keyword SteadB Forms into the search keyword bar. Once it comes up in the search, we can just click on Install Now button next to it. WordPress will now download and install the plugin for you. After this, you'll notice the Install Now button will change into Activate button. A WordPress plugin can be installed on your site, but will not work unless you activate it. So go ahead and click the Activate button to start using that plugin on your WordPress site. That's it. You've successfully installed the first WordPress plugin. The next step would be to configure the plugin settings. But these settings will vary from each plugin, so we're not going to go over it here. Paid WordPress plugins are not listed in the WordPress plugin directory. These plugins cannot be installed using the first method. That's why WordPress comes with the upload method to install paid plugins. We'll show you how to install WordPress plugins using the upload option in the admin area. First, you need to download the plugin from the source, which will be a zip file. Next, you need to go to the WordPress admin area and visit Plugins Add New page. After that, click on the Upload Plugin button on the top of the page. This will reveal the plugin upload form. Here, you need to click on the Choose File button and select the plugin file you downloaded earlier to your computer. After you've selected the file, you need to click on the Install Now button. WordPress will now upload the plugin from your computer and install it for you. You'll see a message such as a success message that will show the installation has been finished. Once installed, you need to click the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. You have to configure the settings to fit your needs. These settings will vary from plugin to plugin.